Take the pressure plate side,
and
there's a spring behind this wedge collar. So the easiest way is press it in, and this little C-clip, you can see that gap there?
Yep.
Just pull it.
Here we have the rest of group 3 ready to go out.
And the rest comes up. So these little indented sections around the wedge, around the clip, sit inside the wedge collar.
Yeah.
See, that's how it sits in the pressure plate.
Yeah.
So it's 2-piece, and you replace it. You replace these 2 pieces. They include new springs with it.
I've heard of people saying you put more on.
You can do 3. Yeah, with the 2-piece, some people will do 3 because that just adds more
Pressure.
tension. This C-clip can't pop out when it's here. I'm gonna leave the so there's no springs in it. But when this wedge collar is pulled back like this, that C-clip can't pop out. It just can't because it sits inside that groove there. So that's why when you're trying to pull your clutch out, you know you got to pop that wedge collar. You have to like pry in here with the screwdriver and hold this wedge collar forward, and now that exposes that C-clip, and then you can usually pull out your throw bearing. But at this point, you can just pull the C-clip off.
So then this one just pushes out, huh?
Yep.
And you just use
So that one, there's nothing. Yeah, you just push it in there. It's a little tough. There. Yep. That's it.
So how does that one work to actually not ever release?
Well, it can release if you push it in. It can release.
But I mean, what makes it different?
What's the benefit? Is that when that pops out. So this happens supposedly under certain conditions. Let's say you're banging through gears, and your fork pushes here, or it's pulling back. But if you let out the clutch fast enough, they think your fork can push the throw bearing and push this in slightly, just enough for that clip to pop out.
This would pop off?
Right. With this, it can't because it's all one piece. So even if you push it in, the most it's going to do is just kind of come back.
Gotcha. Okay.
And those springs will pull it back with. So it's
really got a 2-piece versus a 1-piece setup.
Right. There's nothing that can pop off here. And in the event for some reason it does somehow come dislodged, you could probably just push your throat bearing back in and re-clip it in. Versus if that pops off,
you got to get in there manually.
Pull out. Yeah, you've got to pull out the whole thing.